Okay, Dad, here's this is a really quick video. This is about Jesus actually saying that he is God. Um, right here it says the I am formula, ego eimi, which is ego eimi or whatever, emi or whatever, harks back to God's only name, Yahweh, meaning he who always was, is, and will be. So we're going to read over what this says. It says pretty good here. In Greek, the phrase ego imi translate to I am or I exist. It is the first person singular present active indicative of the verb to be in ancient Greek. The use of this phrase holds theological significance for many Christians, particularly in the context of the Gospel of John. Okay. Interestingly, the I am formula in the Greek ego eimi harks back to God's only name in the Old Testament, Yahweh, the Lord, which means he who always was, is, and will be. This connection underscores the eternal nature of God. Okay, let's get to the part here. The Septuagint, the Greek translation of the Hebrew Bible, the phrase ego eimi appears in various places, including Exodus 3:14. In that passage, God responds to Moses by saying, Eli Asher Eli, which is variously translated as I am that I am who I am, or I will be who I will be. This abstract name signifies God's eternal existence and is never mentioned again in the Torah. In the New Testament, John 8:58 records Jesus saying, Truly, truly, I say to you, before Abraham was, I am. We're not talking about Melchizedek or some weird thing. We're talking about Jesus saying that he is God. So here Jesus uses the same ego eimi phrase, emphasizing his divine nature and eternal existence. Okay. So while the Greek phrase ego eimi can simply mean I am in a general sense, its used in a specific context carries profound theological implications. It connects Jesus to the eternal God of the Old Testament and underscores his divinity. So he does say that he is God in that way. He does, because God said it and then he also said it. I am. And that means that he is God, Yahweh. So people say, well, Jesus never said he was God, but he did. And that was the one time he did say it. Except people just don't catch that. So, there you go. Okay. See here, and go like that. Yep.